Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to walk you through how I add a PDF to a ConvertKit email. Quick and simple. If you want to follow along, there's a link in the description to grab a free trial or log into your account. First, I click Send and choose Email Template. I either create a new template or open an existing email I want to edit. Once the editor is open, I add a text block or click where I want to type and write the message my subscribers will read. Keep it short and clear so the PDF link stands out. After my text is ready, I upload the PDF to Google Drive. Once the upload finishes, I right-click the file, choose Share, and change the access from Restricted to anyone with the link so subscribers can actually open it. Then I copy that shareable link. Back in ConvertKit, I highlight the words I want to turn into the download link, like Download PDF, and click the link icon in the editor. I paste the Google Drive link into the field, confirm, and the link is live. One last preview to make sure the link looks right and works, and then I save or schedule the email. That is it. A fast way to give your readers a downloadable PDF inside a ConvertKit broadcast. So this is how to add a PDF to a ConvertKit email. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe and check the description for that free trial link.